Has your life kind of been feeling lately? Don't you think we should make life a little bit more exciting again?
By the end of this video, you'll have 6 fun ways to bring that spark back, even if it's been a while. Now, this isn't about faking positivity or pretending everything is fine when it's not.
It's more like the, hey, I can do whatever I want with my life type of energy.
The quest hack. See your to-do list as daily quests you need to complete to level up. Every time you hit a certain XP level, you unlock rewards.
Main quest, 15 XP. Things that move your life forward and help you grow. For example, film a YouTube video or apply to that job, read that book, write your own book.
Side quests. 5 XP. Easy things you can do fast and normally procrastinate on. For example, making your bed or replying to that one email.
Before you start, set your XP rewards. For example, 200 XP. Cancel all plans for the evening and romanticize doing absolutely nothing. 600 XP. Order your favorite food and watch YouTube.
The psychology behind this is to teach your brain that effort gives you good feelings, not just guilt or stress.
And what is life without hidden rewards? Let's call them bonus XP.
Compliment a stranger. 10 XP.
Don't touch your phone until 10 AM. I mean, that is pretty huge. When was the last time I did that? When I was 9? Okay, when I was 9 I did not even have a phone, but
you can turn the most boring stuff into a game and boom, make it exciting. The playlist hack.
This one is very simple.
You create a playlist with 6 songs. Each song needs to have a different mood. When you press shuffle, whichever of the 6 songs plays, that song becomes your mood for the next 1 to 2 hours.
Step 1. Pick the songs. The more different they are, the better.
Step 2. Match the vibe.
Let the song decide your mood while you do whatever you need to do right now. For example, cleaning your room. If music to watch boys, if this song plays, I'm gonna act more soft, slow, feminine, kind of if you seek Amy. If this song plays, I'm gonna act cool, hot, I'm gonna wear sunglasses or stuff like that. I hope this makes sense. Does this make sense?
Suddenly it's not,
I have to do this.
It becomes,
wait, let's see what song plays.
Your brain gets bored when every day feels the same, but when something new or unexpected happens, it pays attention. That's why even little changes can make you feel better fast. Daily tale. Each night, write one sentence about your day, but not like a normal journal entry, write it like a little story.
On a grey first day, the hero faced her greatest enemy, laundry. Oh my god. Her bag may never recover.
Or like a fantasy line.
She opened the fridge. It was empty. The quest for groceries had begun. As a child, we always did that. Imagine, oh my god, it's storytelling stories and fairy tales. Okay, stop.
Sounds silly? Well, just try it out. It helps your brain see your life in a new way, and even bad days start to feel like part of a bigger story, not the end. The escape menu. Take 30 minutes of your day only for you.
This is your escape. Do things that make you happy.
You're not online, not working, not thinking about your to-do list.
Just do something that makes you feel really good. And we are not talking about scrolling here. No, no, no.
How about making a little feel-good menu?
Let's call it your escape menu. I have built a pillow fort and eat snacks like I'm 7 years old again, bake cookies and eat them while they are warm, and paint something with my fingers.
I know what you're thinking, but I don't have 30 minutes.
Okay, go to your phone, check your screen time, and then tell me again you don't have time. By the way, if you want to have fun ideas how to stop checking your phone every 5 minutes, I made a video about that too. We're gonna blend in here, screenshot, glitter sound. Okay.
Why does this help? Because your brain doesn't recharge from doing nothing. It recharges from doing things that make you feel alive.
The day just got 80% better.
The joy coin. This one is different from the one at the beginning because here we're not talking about to-do lists, but about feeling better.
Create your own coin. Call it whatever you want, like Zabi's joy coin.
You can draw them in a notebook or use real coins. Every time you do something that makes your day feel a little better, you get 1 coin.
It doesn't have to be big, it could be sitting in the sun, stretching for 90 seconds, or saying, it's okay, I tried, instead of being hard on yourself.
If it helps your mood go up, even 2%, it counts. And you get a coin. Now here's the fun part.
When I get 10 coins, I can buy myself a reward. You know what my reward is? Take a nap. I love naps so much. It is insane. I'm always telling myself, okay, I'm just gonna take a nap for 20 minutes. And after 3 hours, I'm still in my bed.
Why do all of this?
Even the little stuff can change so much how you feel.
The feeling basket. Each morning ask yourself, what's in my feeling basket today?
Wait, what do I mean by that?
Think of your emotions like stuff you carry around in a basket.
And guess what? There are different things in that basket every single day. Some days it's really heavy. Some days it's really light.
Step 1. The heavy stuff. What is dragging you down today?
This is the emotional weight, like things that make you feel really heavy today, burnout, feeling really sad. Just check in. What's there? What's in your basket today?
Step 2. Look for mini monsters.
Or what's in your way right now? Outside blockers, your phone, distractions, procrastination, overthinking, blah 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 blah. Find your boosters.
What can I add to feel better today? Things that boost your mood, like listening to a song or talking to a friend.
So how does this make your life more exciting? Well, first things first, our society doesn't talk about feelings enough.
You might even start to ignore your feelings completely. That can leave you feeling stuck or sad without knowing why.
The feeling basket is the easiest way to check in with yourself, and hopefully when you do that, you will feel so much more at peace.
You don't have to live the same boring day again and again.
You can do whatever you want with your life. I mean, it's your life. It's your time and your choices. Life doesn't have to feel hard all the time, and you don't need to wait for somebody else to change things.